Welcome to TFA Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutenderera pa social media. Chiwenga achiuya neprofesi yake achiti pakati paZanupf pana naED vana chiwenga timu yevarakashi aripo achabuda pachena otaura chitsotsi chavo vese. Tererai munzwe zvitaurwa natalent Chiwenga.
Making money, our families are living large, but the people are suffering. I want to do something right. That turnaround is going to cause a lot of turmoil within the people that have worked together today. This is one of the things I wanted to talk about. Someone is going to come out clean and say, I messed up, I participated in the mutilation of the economy of Zimbabwe. We violated people's rights every day, but I'm tired. If I'm going to be killed, I have to say the truth at least before I die. Then the second incident that is going to happen, there is going to be an exposure of a shady deal that happened that betrayed the struggle for proper political independence, which has not yet been attained in Zimbabwe as we speak now. There's going to be an exposure. There's going to be someone who is going to say there's a transaction that was done. So and so and so were involved. And my warning in this prophetic utterance is that opposition figures are going to be fingered in that expose.
Okay.
People that people hoped with or hoped on for political freedom, for a better Zimbabwe, their names are going to be fingered. And some people are going to be in denial to their graves. They are going to say they are framing him, they are framing her. But it will be the truth. A betrayal of the struggle where someone receives money and he lies to the people that is representing an idea when he no longer represents that idea. He is now a puppet of the ruling party, but the people are not aware. This is something that happened behind closed doors. It will come out. It will come out. The information will come out gradually, but eventually everything will come out in the open.